Okay, so open the door, and there's Prissy. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Prissy just went in. Okay, baby, don't go in. Oh, she always just retreats under the bed. Okay, anyway, so the door's open now. This boy's still hunting. Sammy and Shanti up top. And I never did find Jordy. Ciara's here, and I don't know where Jordy is. He hides. He's got this really unique ability, cunning ability to hide. So, anyway, all right, wait a minute. You want to go inside, buddy? It's okay. You can go inside if you want. Oh, no, you want to go up here, huh? Okay, that's okay. That's okay, buddy. Go. You can stay out here. Oh, you. Oh, wait, sorry. Sorry, bud. Oh, condo's falling apart. You big boy. Yeah, it's getting rickety, for sure. It's probably got another couple months, and then we're going to have to get another one. Oh, you. They fall apart, and that's the whole point, you know? Lots of wear and tear. Oh, you little boy, you little boy, you little boy. You little boy. You're falling, buddy. You're falling, buddy. Oh, you're falling down. You're falling down. Oh, you. You little boy, you little boy. Wait a minute. There he is. I have no idea. Oh, I know where he was. Okay, I know where he was. He was back there. Okay, I get it. That's where he was hiding. Now he's here in the commotion with Tali. Oh, child monster wants to play. Hey, sister. Hey, sister. Hey, sister. This is my spot. Get out of here. Jordy boy. Hey, you Jordy boy, you. You little boy, you. You little boy, you. Hey. Hey, brother. Okay, so pandemonium is about to ensue. For sure. I didn't finish my round of disc golf. I might not even. I'm exhausted. But I gotta get this. Okay? Playtime. Playtime. Look at the demon boy. Hey, Tali. Hey, Tali boy. Hey, Tali. The demon boy. It's the demon boy. It's the demon boy. Hey, demon boy. Oh, you demon boy. You little demon boy. You little demon boy. Tali got down. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Where are you going, baby? Where are you going? All right. Wait a minute. It's okay. It's okay. You can go in if you want. You can go in if you want, babies. You can go in if you want. There you go. There you go. Prissy. She's a little brat. She goes under the... Oh, no. There she is. Good. Okay, cool. All right. So that's 3 out of the 4. Maybe 5. We had 5 last night. Sammy stayed in there last night. Yay. Hey, buddy. Hey. You want to go in there, too? Or you want to stay in here? You want to go in there or you want to stay in here? Okay, he wants to stay in here and play with Daddy. Okay, buddy boy. You little... Oops. 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 Hey, you little boy. You little boy. You little boy. You little boy. You... You little boy, you little boy, you little boy. Oh, you little boy, you. Oh, you little boy, you. Oh, you little boy, you little. Okay. Play, play, play. I gotta finish my disc golf and then we're going to bed. Thanks, buddy. That was fun. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna leave this open. Am I gonna leave it open? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it open. Okay. That way they can go in and out. I've got about another, I don't know, 30 minutes to finish up. Okay. So, doors open. Free flow between the rooms. Changes the dynamic completely.